Hey, we look cute. We look cute. Hey, hey. Hi Pips, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys, look at my face. Oh my god. I actually put a little effort in my makeup today because today is going to be kinda a little special day. Something new, something we've been trying for the very first time. So I've been wanting to take some holiday photos of Babe Tyler and I, and I actually was going to take them myself, but we're actually getting some help from one of my friends who is going to come by today to help take the pictures with her camera because she have a bigger camera than mine, and I think we'll get better quality pictures from that. So Tyler is down for a nap, Babe is at work, and I am home trying to get everything set up. So what is gonna happen is that Baby's going to come home, and Baby's going to come home a little bit earlier from work today. That way we can catch a little of the daylight to take the pictures, and so I can go off to work by the time we finish taking the pictures, because the person that is coming to help us, she have just a few hours. She adjusts her schedule, which is so sweet of her, and we are so thankful that she did that. She adjusts her schedule so that she could come and take the pictures with us. She could come and take the pictures for us. So as you guys can see, I put a little effort in my makeup, and I did my hair, which I love how it turned out. I'm rocking a high puff, and I love how it turned out. And of course you guys know that I'm not a makeup expert, and I don't like the barrage of makeup on my face. So of course I have my usual natural look makeup, but I just put a little effort in it to make sure that it doesn't look too shabby this afternoon. So that's what's up right now. I'm about to rearrange this living room a little bit, that way I can have the Christmas tree just in the space alone for the pictures. So let's see how that is going to turn out. I make sure I put Tyler down for a nap. I take out our outfits because I think we're going to do more than one outfit change and stuff like that, but I'm praying that these pictures turn out really good. I'm so excited about it, and so is Babe. So yeah, that's what's up right now. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day, and yes, Tyler is feeling a lot better, and so am I. I'm feeling nothing like I was feeling yesterday, so thank God. I think my honey and garlic is working. So yeah, I still have a little bass in my voice, and I'm not even coughing today. Maybe I'm talking too early, but the coughing is almost gone. That's not affecting me. So yeah, I'm going to rearrange this living room, get some lunch. I think I have like 1 hour and a half window, but I like to be on time, and the fact that it's somebody coming to help us, I don't want the person to come and to be waiting. So I want to get everything ready and on point, and have everything how I want it to be, and have everything laid out. That way as she comes in, we can get the pictures going. And she and Babe actually going to arrive at the same time. So when she gets here, Tyler and I will be already ready, and it's just Babe will be able to put on his clothes, and we can jump right into the pictures. So it's a family picture day, and I'm loving it. So let's see how it's going to turn out. Have a good day, you guys. I'm going to stop rambling. Have an amazing day. Stay positive, stay motivated, stay blessed. I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. You guys, so this is my finished look. That's my lip, red, a kind of red wine looking red, not a pop red, and my big earrings, of course. I haven't put my top on yet, but I have on my pants, and Tyler is ready. I haven't put on my top because I can't decide which of the top I want to wear to take the group picture. So I need babe opinion. So as soon as babe gets in, I'll ask him which of those I'm going to wear. He thinks that I should choose. Tyler, Ty. So this is Tyler outfit for the group picture. What? Dinosaur? Yeah. Chocolate. Turn around. Look at mama. Let me see your outfit. I see him. Look. So that's Tyler outfit, you guys, for the group picture. I love his shoes. Papa. And I did his hair, the little curls popping. So that's Tyler outfit for the group picture. And you guys will see his outfit for the you guys will see his other two outfits. Hopefully I get to do those outfit change, because right now I don't know how we're gonna pull this off with him not being so focused. But anyway, waiting on babe and Irie's on their way. By the way, if you guys watch our vlog on Monday, then you guys would know who Irie is. She's the one coming to take the pictures for us. So yeah, they're on their way right now, so they'll be here in about 15 minutes. Yeah. You guys, I'm all ready for outfit number 1. And Irie's here. Dun 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 dun. There's our photographer of the day. Let's see how much she can get done today with all this chaos. And this is my handsome. Hey. We look cute. We look cute. Hey, hey. I don't know if you want me to move anything so this not in your way and this not in your way.
I'm fine for now.
You sure? And they won't be in it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's her?
What do you want to see?
I also put this thing and the chair in case we need to sit on something.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know which one you think we should sit on, because I want babe to sit, me stand beside him, and Tyler sit on one of his legs.
Okay.
You see that idea?
Yeah.
So I don't know if we should use, and I need one to with the 3 of us sitting on, so I don't know if this is too big or it should be fine.
It should be fine.
This?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's try this one.
Bus.
Careful to the camera. Do you want me to like put something to cover it, or let it stay as is?
I probably will see it. I don't know. Yeah, it's fine.
It's fine. Okay, Tyler, it's time to go take pictures.
Pictures!
Let me see your face, baby. Okay, you're good.
Yes, you guys.
Come, pictures.
Pictures!
Time to sit beside Tyler. We're not too close to you. You can push away the couch. You sure?
Yeah. I'll do a test shot and I'll show you what it looks like.
Okay. Tyler, smile.
Say
Take a hand out
cheese!
your mouth.
Christmas!
I'm back from work. Like you can see, we did some photo shoot with Babe. She really wanted to take some Christmas family pictures. So we took an hour, we took a lot of pictures, and yeah, she's off to work now. I'm home alone with Tyler. Tu veux faire pipi? Allez, va faire pipi. Yeah, so like I said, I'm home alone with Tyler. I'm gonna clean this house cause Babe have to put like the table in the side and all of these things. So I'm gonna put some order in the house. I'm also gonna start a wrap gift. I'm gonna take this little advantage that Babe is not at home, so I'm gonna wrap a gift for Tyler. I'm gonna wrap a gift for her, and yeah, I'm not gonna show you what it is because Babe gonna edit this video, so I'm not gonna show you. You're all gonna have the surprise when Christmas gonna come. Sigh. Tyler, c'est qui? C'est qui?
Alright, take it your hand.
He's too excited.
He hit his hand. You happy to see Mama? You hit your hand because you're running to see Mama. You hit your fingers. Hey yo! I'm freezing. It's so cold outside, you guys. So cold. I'm home. You're eating fries? Who gave you fries? Who gave you fries? Papa gave you fries? Papa made fries for you? Hi guys, I'm so cold. You want to feel my fingers? Feel it.
I see the color. I see the color red.
The withered. Oh my god. Hey guys. I hope there's no food in my teeth. I just finished eating dinner. Babe made dinner tonight.
That was just French fries and little things that I put in the microwave. So that's not made.
It's still
that's prepared dinner if you want.
Still making.
You don't have any things to do, but
you still prepare dinner, whichever way you try.
I don't have any awards to get for
you
that.
You still did it. Well, I have an award to give you. You want it?
Thank you.
Anyway, you guys, I just finished eating. I got back home from work, put Tyler down for the night, so he's off to bed. And can I tell you how much fun we had doing our little photo shoot today? We had so much fun, huh? And I'm really looking forward to the pictures. Irie actually going to go ahead and edit them for us and send them to us. I can't thank her enough. I didn't expect her to do that. I just expected her to come and take the pictures and give them to me, but she said she's going to edit them and send them to me, and that's so sweet of her. Irie, I know you're watching, and thank you very much. You have a big heart, and I appreciate every single minute that you took and came and take those pictures and be patient with us and have fun with us while we were taking them, and you go the extra mile to edit them, girl. Thank you so much. It means much to us. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and give you guys the Jamaican and French expression for today. So babe, what is it gonna be?
The French expression, it's gonna be an expression for today. C'est la fin des haricots. Literally mean it's the end of the bean. Say it.
C'est la fin
des
haricots.
Right. Mean it's the end of the bean. It's the end of everything. That's what we say when it's like the last hop is gone, and I say, c'est la fin des haricots. That's the end of everything. Is I read it. I read what was the meaning because I didn't know the meaning, and they used to say that it was back on the times. So it was at school for like high school or any school that when they give like the food for the person, and when they didn't know what to give, they give the beans because they say like it's basic, is like regular, is like mediocre food. So and when they don't have any more bean, you know it's the end. So they use, that's where it's coming from. So the French expression is c'est la fin des haricots. That's the end of everything.
Okay. Alright, you guys. So of course the Jamaican expression is going to roll off, babe. French expression, and the Jamaican expression is going to be what left. What left simple means they're giving you the last of what they have. It finished, everything finished, and you're getting the last, the pot bottom. There you go, the pot bottom, the what left you're getting. So the Jamaican expression for today is pot bottom or what left.
What left? Puck bottom? Pot bottom?
Yeah, pot simple mean pot.
The pot bottom.
Yes,
okay.
the pot bottom. So you're getting what left.
Okay, so it's
almost nothing.
C'est la fin des haricots.
Yes.
Okay.
Alright, you guys.
So you have the French expression translated in English and in Jamaican.
Yes, I like doing it that way these days. I think it's really cool. Anyway, you guys, you get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright, there you have the French and the Jamaican expression. If you're first time watching, don't forget to
subscribe
and
like
and
share
and
turn on the notification.
Yes. Comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Peace.
Bye, guys.
Bye.